Hello, welcome back to the vlog. I feel like I'm always coming out of that door. We actually created two light fixtures. We originally got them from IKEA, but we didn't like how they originally looked. So we changed it up, we got some paint. We also did like this can spray that added texture on top of it. And then we added another layer of color. So we wanted to give both light fixtures like a cement stone type of thing. I'll go in a little closer so you can kind of see like the texture. It might not pick up. Oh, okay, perfect. So you guys see how we added like the coat of paint or spray paint really, and it was like a grayish cement tone. And then afterwards we used another paint that gave it the texture that you see. And then lastly, we put a last coat of that cement paint. We did the same thing to the very top. And that's what they look like. You guys, I went mega short. But honestly, the older that I am, the more that I like chic hairstyles. I want hairstyles that make me look older. And when I have long hair, it makes me look young and fresh. But when I have shorter hairstyles, it just makes me look like I'm on top. We're going to 60 Vines today. Mom's gonna have her oil cake, right? And then Jared and Dad's in the front. Jared's peace sign. Good morning. I gotta shut off my TikTok. I've been watching this one TikTok or TikToker. Her name is Jen. She's from Louisiana. She makes the best food. I got a package from Skims, and they were actually having a sale at the time. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna take advantage of it. But I just got this like really nice Skims t-shirt. I wanted to try their t-shirts because I was curious to see whether like the quality was actually worth it, because I'm wearing Skims now. So I do like their tanks, but I wanted to see like if the tees were worth the price that they were worth and if the hype was real. To adjust myself. So this is the size small deep sea t-shirt. Let me give you the correct description. Never mind. Literally their description is like just a small one right here. You probably can't even see. Anyways, size small. I wanted to see how their tees fit, and so far like they feel pretty good. Very stretchy. The quality is good. It's not like bad. Maybe I'll go ahead and try it on. I literally just flicked myself with the tag. So then I guess when they were having the sale, they were also like giving away this item. So this is just like this little like scuba type print pouch from Skims. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. The first thing I thought of was like maybe I'll put like all of my electronics in here, like my charger, my like AirPods, things like that. I might do that, or I may even use it as like a little cosmetic pouch. If I'm going to the beach, I can just put a little bit of things in here, like my deodorant, like wipes, or makeup wipes, a little facial spray, stuff like that. And then I also got another Skims tank. I forgot the color of this one. Oh, it's taupe. Yeah, so it's like taupe. It looks more of like a nude color in person, but this is what it looks like. So I got this in a size small as well. When it comes to their sizing, I always go to like my true size, so I don't go for like a medium or anything like that. Like all the smalls that I've gotten fit correctly. The only time, like I told you guys before, I got a medium in one of the Skims like shorts, because I wanted it to be more of like a boxer style. Because the smalls that I have on right now, they are like fitting. So it's meant for more like lounge, but I got the green ones so I can actually wear them outside. And then I got the matching Skims bottoms to go with this. This is also a size small. I think it's the taupe color too. No. So I got the talc bottoms, and a taupe top, which is weird because I don't even think, hold on. I guess, yeah, okay, so yeah, I am right. So the taupe tank was on sale, but then I ended up getting the talc bottoms to do like this, not monochromatic look, but just created like a look that involves different like neutral colors. I think that's what I did. Can't remember. And then the last item that I got was the matching pants to go with the first t-shirt that I showed you. Yeah, so this is the color Deep Sea, and it's in the size small. And I was thinking about getting this color specifically because hopefully it's dark enough to where I actually can wear this outside instead of like just being in the house lounging around. I may even wear this like when it comes to my Skims, honestly, I wear it more so for like in the house or when I'm going to bed. It's perfect when I'm going to bed. But I wanted to find some that I actually can wear out. And sometimes I wear like the cream ones that I have out, but I like to put like a hoodie over that because it's really thin. So you can see like everything, and you don't want that. But I wanted to find, like I said, at least one outfit that was dark enough that I can wear it outside. I'll probably end up still putting like a sweater over it just in case, or like maybe putting one around my waist. But yeah, those are just the items that I got. I was trying to get the Skims underwear because I personally like the Skims underwear, and every year I like to change out my underwear. Technically you should be changing it out at least 6 months to a year from what I researched, but I change it out every year because I like to take care of my underwear anyway. And the Skims underwear is actually the best underwear that I have tried personally. I've tried a lot of different underwear, and I think their underwear is like a lot more comfortable, it's a lot stretchier, it doesn't lose like its give or its structure over time, because I do wash my underwear quite often. So I'm waiting for Skims underwear to come out so I can get some more and replenish my underwear for the year. I'll go ahead and try these on so you can see what they look like, and then I gotta go to, what time is it? 12:02. Okay, I gotta get ready because I have a nail appointment. I was thinking about getting my nails done, like doing gel, but for some reason I want to go a little bit like just neutral and bare nailed lately. I don't know, but I always like to get my toes done because whenever I work out, my toes just get nasty, and I just always like to have fresh toes, you know what I'm saying? Let me try this on because I'm just rambling at this point, and then I gotta go. All right, so this is the, you see how like the lighting might be a little bit off, but this is the taupe tank in the size small, and then these are the light talc in the size small as well. I feel like the fabric of these two are a little bit different than the original items that I got. I don't know if it's like over time they're continually like innovating the products and trying to make it better. I would hope, but yeah, I really do like the contrast between the light and the dark. Also, just a warning, this tank is pretty see-through. I mean, it's not 100%, but if you don't wear a bra, you might see something. So I just recommend putting on a bra. This camera doesn't do this justice, but this one's worth it. I don't think they have the sale anymore, but if you could find this t-shirt specifically in this darker color, or maybe even black, or if you want to get like the leggings in this color or similar, or even black as well, I think these two are highly worth it. I am wearing a bra with it, and I don't necessarily think that if I step outside it would be too see-through. As far as I know, I did like a little bit of a stretch test, and honestly I didn't see anything. But for me personally, I like wearing a bra just because I like the little bit of support. And this fabric, even though it's stretchy and it has a pretty good give, it's not necessarily one of those types of t-shirts that are gonna hold in everything. So you're gonna need a little bit of support underneath. But yeah, I would wear this out for sure. And I would probably wear it with like my Air Force Ones, or maybe Yeezys. I don't know, I don't wanna wear Yeezys because it's like Skims and Yeezys, it's like a little bit much. But maybe like my Nike Dunks or something like that. And just go from there. I really love outfits where I can keep them as minimal as possible because I prefer it to be like more hands-on. I feel more confident when I have items that are not like overbearing, where it's just easy, grab and go from there, do what you gotta do. But I do love a good outfit that has like a lot of detail at the same time. Evan made us drinks tonight. We got Olympics in the background. I'm in front. You want to tell him how you made it? You don't want to tell him how you made it? No, it's a meal. A Moscow meal? Ooh, I like Moscow meals. Oh, I see why you went ahead and put this inside of the freezer in the garage, because normally the cup makes a difference with that, right? Yeah. Let me know if you guys want to see a video with Evan. I think he's a new house husband. He cooks, he cleans, he works 9 to 5. He has his clothing line. He garnishes. We're gonna enjoy our drinks now, so I'll see y'all later. Hello, it is Sunday with the lovely husband. We're gonna go to the store to make the chopped cheese. We're gonna get the ingredients and then we'll go to my parents' house, we'll make it there. It's gonna be a full like family day. My cousins are coming from Massachusetts, so we're going hard. We have all the items we need for the chopped cheese, and then we're gonna go to my parents' house and make it. Evan's looking at a whole bunch of drinks. What's his, one of his one of your hobbies. You like, yeah it is, I would consider this as a hobby, finding like different drinks. Yes it is. Aw, look at how much of an upgrade. Remember the first time we were filming at Target? And look at us now, we look older now.
It was like a month ago.